Experiencing FPS drops in Fortnite can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming performance. Follow this guide to help you optimize your settings and enhance your gameplay experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum or recommended system requirements for Fortnite. If your hardware is below the requirement, consider upgrading your components. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Keeping your graphics drivers updated can significantly improve performance and fix bugs. Step 3. Adjusting game settings. Open Fortnite and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as resolution, shadows, and effects to reduce the load on your system and increase FPS. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching Fortnite, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and improve overall performance during gameplay. Step 5. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. This includes setting your power plan to high performance, disabling unnecessary visual effects, and ensuring your system is free of malware and bloatware. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Fortnite performance and a reduction in FPS drops. Enjoy your gaming experience.